Hey my beauties, welcome back to Wendy's World. So, do you want to get gorgeous Hollywood smile like this? Well, it's actually quite simple. You can go to your dentist and get it done professionally and in a very safe way. So try to stay away from kits like this, Crest home whitening kits. Even though they do work, the thing is, unfortunately, they can be very damaging to your teeth, and I think you should be more concerned with the health and the life of your teeth. So also, number one, go visit your dentist. Get regular cleanings, get regular checkups. There's no point in trying to whiten your teeth if there's tartar buildup on your teeth. So do that. Don't forget to brush twice a day and also to floss once a day. I know I'm starting to sound like a dentist. I'm just trying to give you some really good advice, and because as you know I am in my 50s, but I mean check out these teeth. That's because I actually spent quite a bit of money at the dentist taking care of my teeth. So what I discovered is if you were to go to the dentist and to get your teeth whitened, that's great. It costs about $250 at my particular dentist, and it does look great, and after a few hours your teeth will be remarkably whiter. The only problem with that is it's only the one time. Whereas I discovered there's something else that you can do. You can get fitted for a tray, and then this tray will be exactly the perfect fitting for your mouth, and then therefore you can put the combination of peroxide. I did a digital mock-up of my teeth, and then a tray was created, and of course you would get your top as well as your bottom tray made up. So that's what you're going to do is you're going to put this gel into the front of the teeth here, so just in the front, and you're going to only do a little dab. What you're first going to do is you're going to dry your mouth. You're going to dry your teeth, because this gel can't work as effectively unless it's dry here and there isn't water compromising the peroxide, and therefore you're not able to whiten your teeth as effectively. That is what my dentist taught me. So I'm going to teach that to you. So you're going to take a little bit of toilet paper, hold on, and you're going to dry up your teeth as best you can. Just apply the gel to the front of your tooth tray, and then you're going to pop it on, and then you're going to wait between half an hour and an hour. Here is the syringe. You're going to take off the top of the syringe, and you're going to take this, it's a nozzle, you're going to attach it to the syringe like this, and you're going to twist it, and so there you go. There's already a little bit of the gel at the top because, as you know, as I mentioned, I've already done it, so I just have a little bit more gel left, and then that's it. So you're going to put a little bit of the gel at the front of the tray right here at the bottom front, just a little dab. That's all that you really need. So you're going to do that for every single tooth. And then you're going to take it and you're going to pop it in. There you go. It's actually transparent, so it doesn't look weird. Okay, then I'm going to do the bottom part. A little bit of the peroxide in every tooth. So sexy. Sure don't want to date me? Okay, so that is done, and we're just going to wait 1 hour, and then I'll come back to you and I'll show you my beautiful, even whiter teeth. There you have it. I wanted to show you in real time what it was like to whiten your teeth. It has been several treatments, but you definitely can see a difference. Now, after 48 hours, your teeth need to rebuild. They need, well, teeth don't rebuild. Gosh, I wish they would rebuild. You need your enamel to rebuild itself and to recover, and so you need to stay away from Coke, wine, berries, that type of stuff that stains your teeth. Just for 48 hours, stay away from it. Thanks so much for joining me on Wendy's World. I hope that I helped you, and I hope to see you around. Thanks so much. Bye for now.
So casually